So hello everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how you can create parallax scrolling effect. So what is actually parallax scrolling effect? It is about the background images that are fixed. So I can show you that. Let's see in here. So image is fixed, image is not moving. And now you see that the other image is coming in and that's also not moving. And then there is one more image. So this is actually parallax effect. I'll be showing you how you can actually create that. So for that, we just need one index.html and some images. If you have that, then let's go start with this. I'll be creating for everything from the scratch. So I'll be deleting all the code. So let's delete that. Let's delete this body as well. Now in here, what I can do is, first of all, I'll be creating some divs in which I'll be giving background images. And to that div, I'll be giving two classes. One will be the parallax class and the other one will be image one class. So it can be an ID as well if you want to create an ID of image one, so that you can do as well. But let's stick with this. And after that, I can create some heading. For example, anything which I want to show here, parallax effect. And then after that, in the p tag, I can show some content by using lorem. I can show that, and I can copy paste the same thing if I want. I can copy paste the same thing because I need some data, that's why I'm doing this. Similarly, I'll be copying out all these things again. Let's remove some of that. For example, this one. And instead of this class, I'll be giving it image2 class and this one as image3 class. So we have three images. That's why I've added these three divs and their content, what I want to show. You can also make them in a div if you want. So that's up to you. Let's add some styling. The styling is very simple. You just have to give some, remove some padding and margin from the body first. Let's remove that. Just add margin 0, padding 0 from body. And you can hide the overflow X if it's there. So overflow X is nothing but the horizontal scroll. We are hiding that. We don't want to show horizontal scroll as actually. And after that, I have to style parallax class. So the parallax class will be having the background attachment property as fixed. So this is very important property. You have to add this. And then there is background size property. Inside that you have to add cover. And then there is background repeat property. Inside that you have to set no repeat, because we don't want the images to be repeated. That's why I'm adding this. And background size cover means that your image will be actually showing all the what is the background that will be shown inside the div container. So that will be visible, like whatever the images can be fit inside that. So it will be like this. And consider this as a fit, like how much background can be fit inside that height and width. So let's give some height as well. I can give 70 viewport height and the width can be 100%, or you can give it viewport width VW as well if you want. Let's give it 100% initially. Then there is image one class. Inside that I have to set background image property. Inside that I'll be adding URL and then I can give the path of the image or the first image, this one. Similarly, I can add for the other one. For the image 2, there is image 2, but the extension is PNG. I have that. And then there is third image, but the extension is the same one, and the third class. Let's save this and see what happens now. I hope everything will be good. So you see that it's showing me that, and the parallax effect is working. So this is it, the parallax effect actually. So I didn't change the font family, you can change that. This is it. In this video I wanted to show you how you can create parallax effect. That is the modern feature we use in many modern websites, so you can use that as well. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the another one.